Hey friends, have you ever wanted to make your own animated GIFs for your chats or social media? Well, I found the easiest way to do it using Canva, and it's total game changer. Whether you want to create something fun for your stories or add a little flair to your posts, Canva makes it super simple. No need for fancy software, just follow a few easy steps and you will have your own personalized GIFs in no time. Let me show you how. It's seriously that easy. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video. I will show you in this video the step-by-step how to create a GIF using Canva. So I hope everything is doing well firstly, and you have just to stick around until the end to more understand the step-by-step how you can create your GIF using Canva. So firstly, all you have to do is open browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So first, let's know what is Canva. Canva is basically this super easy online design tool where you can create all kinds of cool stuff like social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. It's perfect for anyone even if you don't have a background in design. Now here's the fun part. You can also make animated GIFs on Canva. It's super simple. Just pick a design, add some animations, and boom, you have got your free own GIF to share with friends. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. So let's get started right now. We just come back in the top and you have to click over here to sign in app, and also we have the button of login. I don't have it here and that's why I already have an account. I will just click over home and you'll find this page as you can see, and we have the button of apply if you want to get started as well. So let's just find in this page as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just here search for Jeff like that. Right, so we have various templates that could help you guys, and let's come back right now, or you can just use the option of grid design and you have just to click over custom size like that, and you have to add the width, the height, and also you select the units if is it pixels or inches, millimeters, centimeters as well, and you click over create new design and you get started with this one as you can see. Right now let's just choose in the first option, and I will just choose for GIF, and you will find these GIFs as you can see. Right, so we'll just scroll down and I will click over seal right now, and all you have to do is just choose the template that you think it's better for you. But I will just firstly select the category that you want, for example, just to make it easier and find your template very quickly and easy without finding any problems. Because here if I just select this one and it's pro, and you have just to use this template but you have to pay. That's why I will just go and I will select the filter that I want. Also, if I don't like white, if it's related to social media or something like that, I will just click over all filters. If it's related to business or social media such as Instagram posts as I said, then we have education video, so we have just to select the one you want. Then also we have print products here, cards, invitations as well, and we have also here the style, theme, language, feature, grade, subject, topic. About the price I will select the free one. About the color I will select the white one because I like it. Then I will click over apply and you will find this template as you can see. Right now all you have to do is just scroll down and you will have to select your template that you want. For example, let's just come back and I will select this one of birthday, and I will just click over custom this template, customize, sorry, and then you will find a page which is this one as you can see. Right, so I'll firstly delete this one because I don't like it. That's why. Also this one I'll just skip the first one, and let's get started and designing our div. Alright, so right now you have just to delete all these things and you add yours. So I will just select here this option. I will just delete the frame all, and I will just delete all these things right now, and I will just keep only the backgrounds because I like this one. It's good with the case that I choose. For example, let's just add in, if I add here happy birthday, I think it's good, and also it's good as a background. And here we have it right now, and here we have right now how it looks. We don't have any things here. I will just add it right now. We'll just go to the elements right now and I will just search for birthday. Right, so let's just go to the videos first, and I'll just scroll down and I will select, for example, this one, and then I will just here put it in the same size. I will also keep this background, All right. So also, if I don't like it, if I want to put it only for seconds, I will just click over here, and at the top we have this one. If you wanna edit, also if you wanna edit something here, have just to select here the filters that you want. For example, if you want this one, or if you want other filters, I will select, for example, this one. And also we have the intensity, and let's just click on over here, and here we have how it looks right now. Then we have here the audio. You can just add other things, video speed if you want to make it speed, and this is it. Right now I will just here go to graphics, and I will just add here, firstly I will add a text. I will just click over here and I will add a hidden. I will delete one of this. I will just keep this one, and the top, I think no, it's not in the top. I'll put this one also more huge. All right. And there we have it. Right now I will just put it here, and I will just here add happy birthday, and also I will just come back here to the elements, and I will search for something here in the graphics. Let's just search it like that, and I will select, for example, this one. I'll customize the size, and I will put it in the top. Also I will add other things here, for example this one, and I'll put it here like that. Also we add other thing, for example I will add this one. It's a cake for the birthday. This one I will delete it. I'll put this one and here in the left, and I'll put this one here like that. Right, I will add other things here, such as this one. I think it's better, and I'll put it here down. Sorry, put it down like that in the middle. And right now we'll add other things. For example, I will add here this one, and I'll just customize the size, and I'll put it here like that. We'll just put it more like that too. Alright, so here we have our GIF that I select for the birthday. We'll send it to my friends because it's his birthday day. That's why I choose this platform, and I just think to share with our friends, which is you. So here we have it. Right now let's get started as soon as possible, and this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.